The owners have built a roof over the deck to give them a little shade in the summertime and protect them from the rain. A couple problems going on. They've used regular spruce studs, which probably should have been treated. And they also just got one 2x8 for a outside beam. Then you've got where they have attached the 2x8, they use screws, which has a very low shear strength. And the posts have no support up underneath them. Then you come down to here, they've also got no support up underneath it, but they've got the butt joint like that, where it's a weak point. And as you can see, they've also used screws attaching the rafters, and the beam up against the house they've used screws. Again, screws have a very low shear strength, not good for structural support. Then back to the post, they don't go all the way to the ground. They just stop at the handrail and sitting on that. So you've got the whole roof supported by those 2x2 spindles. Hate for a snow load to get on here. And another issue with this post not running all the way through the deck, as you can see, the center post is already leaning in at the middle. So eventually that's going to cause it to roll on out and push the handrail in. As you can see, it's already started doing that. You've got the corner supported by this 4x4 post, which is setting on top of the handrail. And the weight is not transferred down to the deck, which is no good. Which means this corner of the roof is supported by these 2x2 pickets. And as you can see, the pickets are already starting to pull away, which is not good. They've added a support to the steps, take some of the spring out of it, which is a good idea. But they used a piece of decking, which is not designed for direct ground contact, and then they've also got a wood block for a footer. And then to top it off, they've only added one support for the steps.